Do you want to make your Korean pronunciation better? Then, welcome to this video. There's one thing you shouldn't do when you learn Korean language. It's writing down the pronunciation of Korean using the English alphabet. The corresponding alphabets may sound similar, but their pronunciations are slightly different from each other. The pronunciation of Korean can't be exactly expressed using the alphabets of English or other languages. This is why your Korean pronunciation sounds like a foreigner's. Never do this again. At this point, you might be asking this question. Then, what are these notations for the Korean language? The answer is that these notations are for foreigners who can't read the Korean alphabet at all. You already know how to read the Korean alphabet or will be learning it, so you don't need these notations at all. The Korean alphabet letters themselves can be learned in a short period of time. However, since you're not a native speaker, you need to practice a lot to acquire the correct pronunciation. I hope you spend enough time practicing pronunciation when you learn the Korean alphabet. If you've already learned the Korean alphabet, but still want to improve your pronunciation, it would be helpful for you to practice pronouncing the Korean alphabet again while listening to native speakers. A syllable of Korean language is made up of 2 or 3 Korean alphabets. The first consonant and vowel are essential in a syllable, but the final consonant may or may not be. There are 19 consonants used as first consonants, 21 vowels, and 27 consonants as final consonants. 16 consonants are used both as the first consonant and as the final consonant. The remaining consonants are used only as the first consonant or only the final consonant. Unlike English, each consonant and vowel in Korean alphabet has only one pronunciation. Therefore, Korean alphabet itself can be used as a phonetic symbol for Korean words. This is another reason why there's no need to write the pronunciation of Korean in the English alphabet. How to pronounce Korean consonants is different whether they're used as the first consonant or as the final consonant. There are articulatory organs like lips, teeth, tongue that are used when speaking. When used as the first consonant, most consonants are pronounced by attaching and then detaching these organs. These 3 consonants are pronounced with partial touch or without touch between them. On the other hand, all final consonants are pronounced as closed sounds with these organs touching each other. First consonants and vowels all have their own unique pronunciation, and their pronunciations are all different from each other. However, final consonants are pronounced as only 7 representative consonants. So, you need to understand and practice how to pronounce all 67 vowels and consonants. The more you practice pronouncing them, the better your Korean pronunciation will become. There are many pronunciation changes in Korean language. It mostly occurs when the final consonant of the front letter and the first consonant of the next letter meet. Even people who speak Korean quite well find this difficult. There are dozens of different types of these pronunciation changes. If you practice these pronunciation changes, your Korean pronunciation will become closer to that of a native speaker. Thank you for watching.